To make pound cake, we need these ingredients: 3 eggs, all-purpose flour, milk, butter, regular white sugar, vanilla essence. We're also going to need baking powder, baking soda, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of green cardamom powder, which is optional. 3. In my mixing bowl here, I'm going to add butter. Make sure your butter and eggs are on room temperature. Add those 3 eggs, vanilla essence, sugar, and you need to blend it well. Again, if your butter and eggs are not at room temperature, you're going to have a hard time whisking or blending the batter for your cake. Alright, now go ahead, add baking soda, cardamom powder, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Gonna whisk it for another 3 seconds. Now adding all-purpose flour little by little while I'm whisking or blending the butter. After adding and blending and whisking all the flour, now I'm adding this lukewarm milk. Don't add cold milk. Again, it should be lukewarm or at least room temperature. Alright, it's all good to go in the pan now. Over here I have my baking pan for the cake, and I'm going to spray it with some non-stick cooking spray. And I'm going to pour all this batter in the pan. And just a tip, you guys can also add some rose water or orange blossom essence of your, any kind of fragrance, or lemon essence in your pound cake beside just vanilla essence. So it's totally up to your choice. I'm just making sure that the batter is spread evenly in all corners of my baking pan. Alright, now I'm going to place it in my oven. It's been already 60 minutes. On 50 minutes I checked it, it was quite not done, so I let it bake for another 10 minutes, and it's pretty much. Our pound cake is ready. I'm just going to let it cool down, and it's better to take it out from the pan when your cake is pretty much cooled down or become room temperature. Otherwise it can fall apart because it's still very soft. Now I'm going to dust my cake with some icing sugar. This step is totally optional. You can dust it with confectioner sugar, or you can drizzle some cake syrup on top. Personally, I don't like cake syrup at all. It makes it super soggy, but some people likes it moist. So it's totally up to you.